2 days after the SP-BSP announced their pre-poll alliance, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav is said to be meeting Akhilesh Yadav in Lucknow today. Tejasvi was all praises for the Bua-Bhatija alliance when he met BSP Supremo Mayawati yesterday. This meeting is being seen as Rashtriya Janata Dal's last-ditch effort to broker peace between the BSP-SP alliance and the Congress party. Remember, Akhilesh Yadav and Mayawati had left Congress out in the lurch of their alliance as well. However, the Congress has also announced that they will be contesting all the 80 Uttar Pradesh seats and are open to alliance with like-minded parties.
उत्तर प्रदेश को लेकर के आप लोगों को याद भी होगा, उत्तर प्रदेश असेंबली इलेक्शन में लगातार लालू जी के भाषणों को अगर आपने देखा होगा या प्रेस वार्ता को देखा होगा, तो उनका यही था कि यूपी में भी एक महागठबंधन बनाया जाए जिसमें सपा और बसपा आदरणीय मायावती जी और अखिलेश जी मिल करके चुनाव लड़ने का काम करें। तो अब तो देखिएगा, अब जब गठबंधन होने लगा, कितना प्री प्लान्ड वे में मायावती जी ने भी कल प्रेस वार्ता में ये कहा कि सुनियोजित पहले से ही तैयारी थी कि अगर इनका गठबंधन होता तो किस प्रकार से इनके जो अलायंस पार्टनर सीबीआई, ईडी, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पहले भी इनको तोता कहा था, किस हिसाब से इनका दुरुपयोग किया जा रहा है।
Ashutosh now joins me on the phone line. Ashutosh, obvious question, will Tejasvi be able to broker peace between SP-BSP and the Congress? And in case that doesn't happen, where does it leave the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh, considering it is the weakest there in that state?
Well, yeah, Congress has already made its announcement and made the picture clear that they are going to contest on all the 80 parliamentary constituency all alone. So since Congress has also adopted the idea, and we are also hearing that Congress is working out on a formula to have a Shivpal Yadav, a smaller party who are less potentially destroyed to the regional parties and in fact even to at great extent to BJP, the Congress is willing to ally with, including the RLD, Ajit Singh's RLD, who could not also make the part of the Samajwadi and BSP Gathbandhan. So we are hearing that Congress is likely to go along with these smaller parties, and even if there is one fraction of Apna Dal is willing to ally with the Congress party. But what Tejasvi Yadav is willing, that in 1993, the formula which was adopted against BJP by Mulayam Singh and Kanshi Ram, the similar formula was tried and tested out in Bihar when RJD and JDU, two arch rivals, came together. So also it was Lalu Yadav's recommendation that Samajwadi Party and Mulayam Singh and Congress and BSP should come together, form an alliance and contest against BJP. But you heard BSP Supremo clearly saying that Congress is a liability. It doesn't have the transferable vote and can ensure any other party's victory. So Mayawati does not want to carry any liability along. However, Congress believes that if there is any alliance which can defeat the BJP, it could be only Congress, and regional parties can probably be a vote destroyer. So amid of all this turning actually a little better. So what Tejasvi Yadav is willing to intervene and mediate between the two alliances. That is one SP-BSP alliance, another is Congress alliance, and that's why he has come from all the way Patna to Lucknow.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you so much for your inputs. Meanwhile, a day after Bua-Bhatija Jodi snubbed Congress in Uttar Pradesh, the party says that it will in fact be contesting on all the 80 seats. But the Grand Old Party is also keeping its door open for the tie-ups with other regional parties as it prepares to take on the BJP.
After the big snub by SP and BSP, which left it out in the cold, Congress has now decided to pit itself in all 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh.
राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अगर उनको कोई हराने वाली पार्टी है तो राहुल गांधी के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी वो लड़ाई लड़ेगी, और उन्होंने और हम सब ने ये चैलेंज कबूल किया है, और उसी दृढ़ता से, उसी मजबूती से हम उत्तर प्रदेश की भी 80 की 80 सीटों पर इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे.
In political wilderness, in India's most politically influential state for over 3 decades, a depleted Congress is planning a carefully laid out strategy for 2019.
BSP and the SP have every right to have an alliance. I think the Congress party has a tremendous amount to offer the people of Uttar Pradesh. So we will obviously do our best as the Congress party. We will fight for our ideology, and I think we might give a surprise or two to people about what the Congress party is capable of doing.
Eyeing smaller parties like Mulayam's estranged brother and SP breakaway Shivpal Yadav, BJP ally Apna Dal and Ajit Singh's RLD, the party also wants to keep its doors open for a post-poll alliance with the SP and BSP combined. Congress is also cautious of not making tie-ups, which may lead to any Modi versus the rest plank.
देखिए, अभी हमारी बात तो नहीं हुई है. जितने भी सेकुलर पार्टियां हैं, कांग्रेस भी है. अगर कांग्रेस हमसे संपर्क करेगी, हमसे बात करेगी, तो मैं बिल्कुल तैयार हूं.
After scoring morale-boosting victories in the Hindi heartland states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan, there is a sense of euphoria in the party cadre.
हम अक्षरशः उसी के स्टेटमेंट के साथ हैं. हम सबको देखते हुए आज केवल भाजपा को हराने का, जो कि देश के अहित का सारा काम कर रही है, उसके लिए हम सजग हैं और जनता की भावनाओं के साथ हम बड़े अपने दमखम के साथ लड़ेंगे.
Beginning next month, Rahul Gandhi will address 15 rallies across the state, with focus on issues such as agrarian crisis and farmers' distress. Congress aims to at least repeat its performance in 2009, when it won 21 seats on its own, which came down to just 2 in 2014, when only Sonia and Rahul managed to retain their strongholds.
For the biggest political battle of 2019, the Congress has decided Ekla Chalo in the biggest state of this country after isolated by SP and BSP Mahagathbandhan. The oldest party is silent on the possible alliance with potentially less strong and smaller parties of Shivpal Yadav and Ajit Singh. But the party has kept its all avenue open for post-poll alliance. In Lucknow, with Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.